video, Kevin from Integrated Security Resources explains the difficulty faced in getting power to a remote location. Unfortunately, this install took place before the SureFi Solar Kit was available.
Right, so the HOA wanted to control their tennis courts, and we did Brevo with a wireless bridge for the Brevo. For us, the Wiegand part was the 10-minute job, right? The Wiegand bridge made it 10 minutes to get us hooked up to the head end, and that's shooting from inside this box into that pool house. And one of the hard parts about this was getting electricians to come back out and get us power up here to run our power supply for our gate lock. And we're now knowing that SureFi makes a solar panel. It would have been great for us in this situation.
For more information about available kits, including our solar kits, please visit surefi.com. For questions on product features and support, call a qualified SureFi technician at 844-787-3340.